Hi, my name is Marie DeZanis, and I'm Head of Sales and Servicing for FlexShares Exchange Traded Funds. And I'm with Chandran Thomas, our Global Head of ETFs. Welcome, Chandran.
Hello, Marie.
There's a lot of interest and need in the marketplace for income-yielding products, and I hear that there's new launches pending. Can you tell a little bit about what has recently been launched?
Yes, and we're actually pretty excited about this. I'll start with the backdrop that obviously we have a framework, and one of the quadrants of our investor solutions framework is to really think critically about the investor need to generate income. And obviously that's very different in this environment of very low interest rates. And what it's caused investors to do is, I think, we believe rather, think more broadly about the alternatives that they have. In that respect, we've actually launched a suite of quality dividend yield products, or quality dividend funds. And we're really excited about that because it sort of breaks us out of the traditional view of looking at income. Traditionally, you've heard people focus almost exclusively on fixed income products. And what I like to say is people are thinking about income, but it's more consistent income, not necessarily fixed. So with our quality dividend funds, what we're doing is actually providing a suite of products that give investors, again, a broad market exposure, but also do it in a way that focus the portfolios on factors that deliver to us higher quality stocks. So we think that the risk-adjusted returns for a particular portfolio like that, and then also the income-generating components of that portfolio, are going to be very attractive to investors, particularly in this market environment.
And because income is so important, there's a number of products out there. How would you say something like this would be a different strategy than anything we've seen?
Well, it's clear that because of the focus on income, you are seeing more products generated in the marketplace. There are a couple of things that I think really stand out about what we're doing. The first thing is really how we approach what I would say risk management. So one of the things you typically find with a lot of dividend yield products is you have high concentration. So they tend to focus, say, for instance, on certain sub-industries, and you have almost an over-allocation to those stocks. We've made sure that we've designed the underlying index in such a way that we don't over-allocate to those. So you still have a balanced approach. The way that we say it in our terminology is one of the sort of composite risks that you face in the marketplace that you have to mitigate is concentration, whether at a single security level or at an industry level. And so that's one of the things that's distinctly different about this portfolio. The other thing I would say is when people have come out with dividend yield products, it's almost exclusively focused on dividend yield, as opposed to our approach, which says we can give you market exposure, and you know we have different versions of that product. So we have a dynamic and a defensive, so you have three different versions of it. But we can what we also do is give you that, again, broad market exposure while capturing yield and still focusing on quality. Now, to be able to do that in the portfolio, I think that you don't see that particular combination and that focus on those type of factors together in some of the competitive products in the marketplace today.
Chandran, thank you. For more information, go to flexshares.com.